Hey, Chris Davis here with Vitalius Real Estate Group. I am in New York City, joined by the stunning and incredible Katie Thurber of SERHANT.
Hi guys.
She's also been my mentor the last 6 months with the Sell It Like SERHANT course. Katie, where are we?
We are in Chelsea. We're in the heart of New York City. We're right in the crux of the Gallery District and the High Line, and also very close to the Hudson Greenway. So this is pretty much the best place you could be living in New York City.
I love it. So we are in the penthouse unit of 525 West 22nd Street, and we are right now on the private roof terrace. If you'll notice behind me, you have your very own hot tub. Katie, what else is going on around here?
I mean, anything that you could think of, truly. You have all of the restaurants that you could want to be accessing. You've got train lines, you've got the West Side Highway, and right over here, you're gonna have these stunning open views to New York City. These are all row houses here and protected, so you're never gonna lose your views.
Wow, just based on this view alone, I can't wait to go see what's inside.
Let's go check it out.
I love walking in here. I mean, the blinds are drawn in. There's still so much natural light. I mean, it's so bright in here.
Are you blinded by the light, literally? No, it's amazing. This entire second floor is the primary suite. And we're basically in a bird's nest up here. You don't have any neighbors. You've got direct sunlight coming in the entire day. What I really love about this loft conversion is that up here they put this beautiful custom pine ceiling, so it feels really warm, but you have these really gorgeous industrial touches.
Yeah.
You really feel like you're in New York City.
It's amazing. Private, bright, and contemporary.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
Let's go check out the rest.
Okay.
Wow, it's amazing when you go from the second to the main level. Totally different feel.
Yeah, we're very industrial here. There's no question that you're in a loft conversion building in Chelsea. I love that they kept the polished concrete floors here. And what's really unique is you have these barrel ceilings. You don't see that very often.
It really goes back to the original factory feel of the building. You have all these contemporary touches around it that make you feel at home.
Exactly, it's still warm and cozy, but you're definitely in a loft building. What's really nice too is you have this operational fireplace. So you can have a wood burning fire in the middle of winter.
Probably pretty rare in New York City.
Extremely rare, but you can get wood at the 7-Eleven or the local deli, so you're covered.
Whatever you need, you can usually find it on the street corner. All right, so we have 2 beds, 2 baths. What else do we have here?
2,200 square feet, and all the luxury you could ever want in Chelsea.
So, if you're in town or if you live here and you want to check this out, you know who to call.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Thanks for watching.